Let's start with question number 3. So it says find the LCM and HCF of the following two integers by applying the prime factorization method. So in this case we are given with 12, 15 and 21 and we are given with three numbers. The method is same as we done earlier for the question number 2. So let's start with this. So 12 first of all can be written as 2 square into 3, which makes 12 again. 15 can be written as 3 into 5 and 21 can be written as 3 into 7. So my HCF will be 3 raised to power 1 and 3. So LCM will be the rest over part, that is 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. So this makes 420. Now for the second part we have 17, 23 and then 29. As you can see these are all prime numbers, so we can only write it as 17 into 1, 23 into 1, 29 into 1. So my HCF will be 1 only because highest common factor is 1. LCM in this case will be 17 into 23 into 29. So this will be 11,339. Now question number third part of it, it says 8, 9 and 25. So 8 can be written as 2 cube, 9 can be written as 3 square, then we have 25 can be written as 5 square. Again there is no common multiple but only 1. So HCF is again 1. LCM in this case will be multiplied all the terms. So 2 raised to power 3, then 3 raised to power 2, then 5 raised to power 2. So my LCM will be 1800. So that's the end for question number 3. Thank you for watching this.